Following the traditional formula, this colorway combines crystal clear white uppers with metallic overlays that, when illuminated, give the appearance of liquid chrome. Mesh tongues provide a light and comfortable fit, while perforated leather at the toe and heel allows for breathability. The sole noticeable splash of color is the red Shox logo on the tongue, which is the only significant branding element. As usual, the design's main attraction is the heel's spring-loaded Shox cushioning system, which is intended to absorb shock and provide a responsive ride. When combined with a classic rubber outsole, the Shox 4 South African Rand is a reliable shoe for both on-the-go wear and showing off your early 2000s nostalgia. The performance-minded DNA, sleek design, and tonal metallic finish of this Shox R4 colorway make it the perfect choice for anyone wishing to switch up your rotation. This sleeper release is something to think about whether you're returning to the Shox system or learning about it for the first time.